Beautiful fabrics. You ready? This is just fun. Now this is actually from France. So a lot of our imports are Italy, but apparently France is up on this. It's a minky. It's a cotton poly. It has stretch in one direction, but it has a animal print to it. Kind of like, if you can see that. It's just beautiful. Just beautiful, like just really elegant. So this month is the bomber jacket. This would make an amazing bomber jacket. But also our new jacket, you know, that 824, not reversible, but it'd be kind of fun. And then this is a really lightweight, it's a beige. Don't have a lot of yardage on that, but the texture is beautiful, and we're seeing textured just be a great little knit top, but it would go with just an awful lot. This is our jacket that's on the cover of 824. It's a reversible. It's a cotton poly. It has stretch in both directions. One direction, I'm sorry. Stretch in one direction. But you can see the variegated tones are just beautiful. And of course, the fabric itself, both sides are very usable. Very pretty. This is a cotton poly. It's dark brown, but beautiful, beautiful color. I mean, you can see really dark. Both sides are usable. Has stretch in both directions. It's a cotton poly, but it's from France. It's just a lovely, lovely fabric. Just really beautiful. The drape is incredible. This is a Pontoruma. I'm sorry, it's a scuba. This is a scuba. It has stretch in both directions. The print on this is incredible. Just really beautiful. The colors are very much in for fall right now. It's got your plums, your greens, a little bit of cream, a little bit of rust. It's just a really a little bit of teal right here. Just a really on-point fabric. And then here you have plum, and this is the cover to our 124. Can't get enough of that top. I just love that top. This has stretch in both directions, and it's just gorgeous. It's a cotton poly, great drape, just beautiful for anything. Very pretty. All right, so all really good prices today. No one price for all of it, but it's really good prices, and the goal is happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.